Life is way too short to waste it. Every day is an opportunity to create unforgettable memories and make your dreams come true. It's time to start the greatest adventure of your lifetime with the Clever Fox Bucket List Journal. This journal is a unique tool for planning breathtaking adventures, life-altering travels, mind-blowing dream projects, and everything in between. The hardcover is made of premium quality soft-touch vegan leather and features a pen loop, an elastic band, 3 ribbon bookmarks, thick 120 GSM paper, and an expandable pocket at the back. This planner comes with 3 sheets of colorful stickers and a detailed user guide with step-by-step instructions. It has a convenient A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches, so you can easily fit it inside your bag or backpack and journal on the go. The journal begins with 300 unique bucket list ideas from all over the world to help you get inspired and start planning your first adventure. You might realize that some of these are what you always wanted to do and add them to your bucket list. Oh yes, the main part. You will have to create a bucket list with all the things you want to complete. There's plenty of space for 100 items, 100 chances to live boldly and fearlessly. Take your time filling out this list and return to it whenever a new idea pops up. Next, create a vision board of your dream life. Add photos, doodles, stickers, and notes. The more details you add, the more tangible this dream future will be. Use the next page to make an interactive map of your bucket list travels. Record all the countries you've been to and all the countries you still want to visit. Whenever you visit a new place, mark it on the map to remember this trip forever. Plan your adventures using detailed planning pages. State the final objective and mark the priority level. This way, you will know which experiences to focus on. Track the number of all the bucket list items you've completed. The closer you are to 100, the more exciting it gets. Consider why this item is on your bucket list journal. This will help you get excited and start planning straight away. Write down the location, date, and people you want to take with you. List key action steps you need to take to make your dream come true, and mark the difficulty and excitement levels. Here, you can also set a reward for reaching your objective. Estimate how much you must spend on it and record any extra notes. Preparing a detailed plan will make it easier to follow through with your project and tick this item off your bucket list. Once you complete your adventure, use the right page to record your favorite memories from the day. Record the date and how long it took, describe your feelings, and list the most memorable moments. Write down the story, leave a satisfaction rating, and add notes and pictures at the bottom of the page. This way, you can keep your memories forever and relive them many years from now. We hope this bucket list journal will help you escape the boring day-to-day and live every day to the fullest. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.